Are you ready to take your camping experience to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or planning your first camping adventure, we've got you covered with a collection of brilliant camping hacks. These ingenious tips and tricks will help you stay organized, enhance your comfort, and make the most of your time in the great outdoors. From creative lighting solutions to smart cooking ideas, we've curated a list of camping hacks that are sure to elevate your camping game. Get ready to impress your fellow campers and enjoy a hassle-free and unforgettable camping trip with these brilliant camping hacks for your next adventure. Here are some brilliant camping hacks to make your next trip more enjoyable. Create a DIY lantern. Strap a headlamp around a translucent water jug to create a soft, ambient light source for your campsite. Use sage to repel mosquitoes. Burn sage in your campfire to help keep mosquitoes and other insects away. Waterproof your matches. Dip your matches in melted candle wax or nail polish to create a waterproof coating. This will ensure you have dry matches even in damp conditions. Make single-use soap leaves. Instead of carrying a whole soap bar, use a vegetable peeler to create thin soap slices. These can be used once and easily disposed of. Utilize a shower caddy for utensil storage. Hang a shower caddy from a tree branch to store and organize your camping utensils. It keeps everything easily accessible and off the ground. Create makeshift fire starters. Fill an empty toilet paper roll with dryer lint or shredded paper. It acts as an excellent fire starter when lit. Keep your toiletries organized. Use a plastic organizer or a hanging shoe organizer to keep your toiletries and small camping accessories neatly arranged. Use foam floor tiles. Place foam floor tiles outside your tent's entrance to create a clean and comfortable area for removing your shoes or sitting outside. Cook with pre-made foil packets. Wrap your favorite ingredients such as meat, veggies, and seasoning in aluminum foil, creating a packet. Place it on the grill or over the campfire for an easy and delicious meal. Make your own portable hand washing station. Fill a large, empty detergent dispenser with water and attach a bungee cord to the spout. Hang it from a tree and use it as a convenient hand washing station. Pack spices in straws. Fill plastic straws with measured amounts of spices and seal the ends with a lighter or heat source. This saves space and keeps your spices organized. Use a belt and carabiners to hang kitchen utensils. Thread your belt through the handles of pots, pans or cooking utensils and secure them with carabiners. Hang the belt from a sturdy tree branch to create a makeshift kitchen setup. Bring pre-cut and marinated food. Before your trip, cut and marinate your meat or vegetables. This saves time and reduces the mess at the campsite. Mark your tent lines with glow sticks. Tie a small glow stick to the guy lines of your tent to make them more visible at night, preventing tripping accidents. Create a DIY mosquito repellent. Mix water, witch hazel and a few drops of essential oils such as citronella or eucalyptus in a spray bottle. Use it as a natural mosquito repellent. Remember to follow all safety guidelines and leave no trace when camping. Enjoy your trip.